Yeah, with all these cameras that we are putting up looking at the city right now, it looks like they're all just shaking because it's so windy out there. Like this one, this is one of our new P&M cameras, and we're looking out west. Looks like, I don't know, that would be Central right there, right near the roundabout. So a nice view there. And what I do like about this time of year is all the green that we're finally seeing. But yeah, look at this camera just shaking in the wind there as it looks out toward the petroglyph. So yes, these strong winds are going to really bring the temperatures down. We're going to have some rain and snow to expect on Sunday, and then we are going to be warming back up, I'm happy to report. Tomorrow, a little cooler than today, also a little bit windy, 40s, 50s, and 60s across New Mexico there, as you can see. So we are going to be pretty sunny, so that will be good to be outside. Just might be a little unpleasant because of all the wind. But looking at Saturday, 59 degrees, a big cool down. Also for Sunday that we have an impact day because of that 30% chance of rain and wind that we are expecting. 64 degrees is the normal high, and then we're going to get back up to where we should be, and then check out Wednesday again, kind of like last week, a big warm up, dry, pretty dry, sunny skies there. 75 degrees is the high, and it looks like the 70s are going to try to hang on as we get into the end of next week, Todd. So a pretty typical time this time of year in New Mexico when we have the really cold temperatures and then we have the really warm temperatures. I am now starting to prefer the warm temperatures. I know about you.
Nice to feel this week,
yes.
that's for sure. Excited for that.